Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix transaction error on Trust Wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's go to the Trust Wallet app and then authentication required. So let's authenticate it first and then let's go to the settings and in here, tap wallet, and now you can add your wallet. Here, after you have created your new wallet, let's go to our settings of the phone. Settings. And then let's go to the apps. Here, you can see all of your apps here. Manage apps. And then search for Trust Wallet. There, and in here, we want to clear data and choose clear cache. And after that, okay, and you can now restart your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.